All right, so let's get into the swing. You are gonna learn to love the swing. I mean, it's a great workout all by itself. It's actually, we'll post up some studies that prove how effective it is. It's actually like sprinting. But we're gonna get started with the bare basics here. And first thing we need to learn is what they call a start-stop position. It's essentially where you start the swing and then how you finish the swing to protect your body, to make sure you do things correctly. And to do that, you're gonna have your kettlebell laid on the floor with a handle facing you. About, I would say, 1.5 to 2 feet maximum. You just wanna be behind the kettlebell. Taylor, if you wanna actually come and you can show the actual setup here. You'll see that my hips, I like my feet to be a little bit wider than hip width apart. That's about it. I don't like to go super wide. In fact, you'll see a lot of people go really wide. Don't want to do that. Obviously, you want to leave enough room for the kettlebell to get through your legs. So for me, just hip width is really good. You're gonna grab your kettlebell. Taylor, if you want to go back around over here, so you can actually see when I go down to grab my kettlebell. What are we doing? We're working on our hip hinge. So, working on our hip hinge to grab the kettlebell, and that is the start and essentially the stop position as well, right there. So to learn this even better, what we're going to do is actually hike the bell back and then put it right back down in the start position or the stop position. So you're going to hips out. Notice I have tight hamstrings, so I do have to bend my knees just a little bit, but you're going to hike the bell back and then put it through. Hike the bell back, put it down. Notice when I hike the bell back, let me grab something light so I can actually show you. When I hike the bell back, I am going to swing it so you can actually see it kind of pop out the back. So let me do it with a bigger one so you can actually see. Notice how it comes back. So, and then down. And then down. And then down. So that is a great practice because when you start the kettlebell, you're hiking it back and you're going to go right into a swing. When you finish the swing, you're going to come from a back position and you're going to put it right back down. So you're actually going to do this in the workout, but that's a great way to start the swing. So let's go into actually how to do the full swing, and you're going to love it.